Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we're going to be doing my Glam Bag Plus unboxing from Ipsy. Dropping brushes on the floor as per usual. If you didn't know, Ipsy does like these bigger subscriptions. They have like their $10 little bag, and then they have this one that's $25. It's like a bigger, way bigger box. I will say though, it feels very, very light this time. So we're going to just go ahead and jump into this. I have pre-opened it as per usual. Opening it up here, trying to anyway. It does say discover yourself there. Is that new? I think it used to say something else. I think it used to say like be your own beautiful or something. And there are the products. So let's see here. There should be a little card. Yes. Here's a little card. It says clean slate. Makes sense. It is January. And then the products are of course listed in here. We'll go through those as we open things. Okay. First thing, I'm upset about it just because I just got this. Like in my BoxyCharm Premium, I literally got the same exact thing, but it's not a bad product by any means. And if I didn't get it in there, I would be excited, but I'm not because I just got one. But this is the $1 Billion Brows bestseller kit. You get a brow pencil, a brow concealer and highlighter, a brow gel, and a smudge brush. I'm not gonna swatch these just because I just got one and then I already swatched it in that video, but we'll open it just to show you the products. But I don't know, I might keep this for a backup if I really like it. I haven't tried it yet, or I might put it in my like giveaway box stuff. But here is the concealer and highlighter pencil. And then you do get the pencil with a spoolie on the end. I do appreciate the spoolie. You get a little smudger brush, and you get a brow gel. I do believe these are all full-size products as well, so that is cool. And I'd be excited, except I just got one. It's in the shade Universal, like, I don't know. I don't love when they say like universal brow pencil because they're never universal. Like it's just not possible. Like somebody who's platinum blonde is not going to be able to use the same brow pencil I can. It just isn't possible. But this retails for $42. Should have already known that. Okay, next thing is this, which is open. That's cute. Oh, it looks like it got stabbed too. What the heck? This is by Complex Culture. This is Press and Set Bronzer. Oh, 2-in-1 brush. Okay. I was like, this is a weird box for bronzer. It is a brush. And here's what it looks like. The handles are really pretty. I've never heard of this brand before. But let's see. Ooh, that is real soft. I want to like put it on my face, but I have makeup on. Ooh, okay, yes. What is this for? Cintiq. Bristles designed to mimic natural brush hairs. This one sets your makeup, bronzes, and sculpts in a few quick and easy strokes. Okay, so we can set our face with some powder, do some bronzer and contour. I probably won't contour with this. I'd probably do blush or bronzer with this, but it's a very big brush. It's not really like heavy, but it is weighted. Like it's heavier on this side than it is on the brush side. It's really pretty. I like this. Oh, it says right here, press and set bronzer. Cool. How much is this? $35. Okay. That's kind of an expensive brush, but it feels really nice, so makes sense. Is this cruelty free? It's gotta be. It's a fake hair, so I'm gonna assume this is cruelty free. We'll look into it some more though before I tell you that for sure. Oh, this is a little bonus product. I'll just tell you about it anyway. I did redeem points for this. This is the Ofra Madison Miller lip gloss in Smiley for Riley. Never tried their lip glosses before. Not a huge lip gloss person. Ooh, that smells so good, but I do really like Madison Miller, and you guys know my obsession for YouTuber makeup, so when I saw that I was like, yes please. That's pretty. Doesn't feel super sticky, so that's good. I'd put it on, but I don't want to like put it over this lip color. So this was technically free. It cost me 600 Ipsy points, but that's okay. Next, I'll save that for last. This is by Illamasqua. This is a liquid eyeliner. Cool. $22. Illamasqua is a good brand. They are cruelty free. Ooh, it's a really nice point on it. Yeah, you could definitely like, yeah, okay, I'll try this out. I'm never like super stoked to get liquid eyeliners because I don't wear liquid eyeliner too often. I am actually wearing one today. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm wearing a DKQRPA gel eyeliner, but I don't really do like top eyeliner very often, so it's never something that I'm like stoked to get, but we'll try it out. I do enjoy the brand Illamasqua, so I'm getting this everywhere right now. Trying to get it off my hand. Okay, good enough. Next thing is, can't get it out, this. Oh, Honolulu. Okay, this is the lip treatment. I think I have a little one of these. Nope, that's shade. My eye keeps switching. I do. Okay, yeah. I have a lip treatment in peach pink. This is a different shade. My eye is seriously twitching. Can you see it twitching down here? Weird. Okay. I do like that. I don't use it too often, but it is a nice lip treatment, so I'm excited to have a full size of this. I don't think this one is, oh yeah, clear. Okay, so this is a clear one. I do prefer that, honestly, over the peach pink one. I don't really know why I'm squeezing out a clear lip treatment for you guys, but okay. There we go, finally, that took a minute. There it is. Oh, it's got like a grainy texture to it. What? Is that normal? It's like a exfoliant. I don't remember this one being that way. Maybe this is a different product. Yeah, this one's not like an exfoliant. This is like a little lip tint that just feels nice on your lips. That's weird. What do you say? Aloha Healthy Lips, formulated with a unique blend of Hawaiian botanicals like rare kukui, nut oil, aloe, and agave. This lush lip treatment instantly revives chapped lips. One swipe and you'll be hooked. I don't think it's supposed to be like that. Maybe it just got frozen. This retails for $20, by the way. Maybe it got frozen and that's why it's doing that. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look into that. If you guys know, let me know, because I don't think it's supposed to do that. Okay. And of course you get a bag. This bag is super cute. This is probably one of my favorite bags from Ipsy so far. It's kind of like split down the middle here. Oh, cute. It's got like a little carrying strap too, so you can actually like use this as a purse if you wanted to, like a little clutch bag. That's cute. And then it's got a split down the like diagonal down the center, and it's got like a metallic pink on this side and then a marble on here, and the back is all marble. I really like that. This is a pretty bag. And the last thing in here is this guy. This is by Huda Beauty. This is the Amethyst Obsessions palette. Amethyst is my birthstone. These retail for $27. And I do really like her palettes. I have another one. I had two of them, but I gave one to a friend, but I have another one of the Obsessions palettes. I don't have any of the gemstone ones though, so I'm excited. I'm excited that it was Amethyst, because that is, again, my birthstone. Super pretty. And I love purple shadows, you guys know. Ooh. I wish they had names. Ooh, so pretty. Yes. I am very excited to play with this palette. Okay. That's everything, you guys. Let's, as usual, do a quick little recap while I'm wiping off my, ouch, fingers here. Just bent my nail. So, we got a cute bag. I'm excited about that. I'll actually keep this one. Usually with my Ipsy bags, I kind of just give them away or kind of throw them out, I guess. Yeah, I have too many bags. So that one I think I'll keep though. It's cute. We got an eyeliner that I'm like neither here nor there about. It's okay. Like, I'm not super excited to have another eyeliner that I'm not going to use, but it's not a bad product. The palette I am super stoked about. This lip treatment, I'm not sure what's going on. Like, if this is supposed to be like this, then I'm down for it. But I really just don't think it's supposed to be like that. I keep squeezing out more, trying to get past this little gritty feel. But I don't know, you guys. Like, that's a lot. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to look into it. The $1 billion brow thing that I've already lost. Where did it go? out right in front of my face. The $1 Billion Brow Thing, I can't say I'm not excited about it because like I was excited about it when I got it in BoxyCharm, but because I got it in BoxyCharm, you know, but it's a good product. I mean, it's cool to get like a full brow thing in here, so I'm excited about that. I'll definitely try out the other one that I have. And this brush I really like, so we'll definitely put this to good use. It's really soft, really pretty. So yeah, that's everything. Don't forget to like this video before you go. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.